What is happening, everybody? Mitch Allard coming back to you from the garage. It's been Project Central around here. If you want to take a peek, we are all over the place. We got the RM250 going there. We got the 94 CR250 over there. Gonna have to excuse the mess. I've been wrenching away here. We got a bunch of parts for the 04 RM250. We got the 2000 broke to built RM125 there. Spinning it over here. We got the brakes for the RM250. That's next up on my list. We got a couple of pipes we've been blowing dents out on. Oh, we're all over the place. But finally, I get to clean up this mess here. Get this off my bench. This is the '08 KTM 250SX engine. Next up. Alright, big shout out to my buddy Travis. He shipped me over a GoPro. First time using it, first time hitting up the video on this thing, so bear with me. I'm gonna try it out. For the most part, I've been just doing these on my iPhone, seeing what we can come up with and play it by ear. Let me know what you think. So, like an idiot, I didn't show you the part where I swapped out the main bearings. KTM's got a design kind of like the early Cowies do. I don't know about the newer ones, where the main seal on the stator side is on the internal. So be very careful of that, because if you goof that, you're splitting cases again. I take some Lucas oil or any assembly lube, and you can see the remnants of it down there. I really get these bearings good, all of them. I'm going to hit these again. Then we're going to pull the crank through, put a gasket in, and set our cases. Never have too much lube. Life lesson right there. Take it for what it's worth. Here's an important piece you don't want to forget. KTM has a little O-ring. Goes on the crank. Sits like so. I freeze my cranks before I put them in. There's enough lube on the inside of that bearing. We can take a little bit of grease, get it all on the race. That pretty much slid right in where we need it with no force. No heat in the case, nothing. Next side won't be so simple. I can't see. That's an important one you're going to want to have right there. All right, Stuck Nuts. Kind of a cool name. Actually, it's a really cool name. And the fact that they're fighting to keep trails open. I'm not a huge woods rider, but hey, we're all in this together. So check them out. Instagram, Stuck Nuts. It's a new thread locking compound. They got a red and a blue. We're going to use the blue on this counterbalancer bolt. Just a little dab will do you. The other major brands are trying to close down trails. So let's support the ones that support us and keep us going on this. Same thing, little Stuck Nuts on that. Just the blue, we don't want to get too carried away. Reverse thread, forgot about that. Alright, that looks much better now. But it actually had what was a piece of old thread locker on there. And when I started looking at it, I thought that it was one of the threads from the case. Ever have one of them moments where your heart just sinks and you're like, oh boy, this went south quick. But nope, just some thread locker. We're going to hit it with some blue Stuck Nuts and slam this puppy in. Not that size. Key thing, make sure the washer's on the back side. Yahtzee. Alright, back after a quick battery swap out. I didn't realize it died, so when I edit this, I guess we'll figure out and see how much of it you actually missed. Alright, here we have it. Completed 2018 KTM 250SX engine. New crank, seals, bearings. Ready to rip another day.